You won't believe what you're about to see. These aren't your typical farm machines. They're agricultural beasts that can harvest entire fields in minutes. If you thought tractors were boring, think again. If you ever thought farming was stuck in the past, meet the MFS 120-foot planter, a literal field game changer. Designed in Australia, this 48-meter-wide beast runs 96 rows in one pass, which isn't just about saving time, it's about scaling agriculture to meet future demands. It operates with GPS-guided precision, and its hydraulic wings fold up for transport, which is pretty mind-blowing considering the size. The record? 905 hectares of wheat planted in just 24 hours. That's not just productivity, that's logistics mastery. Zern D96's cross-seeding system ensures consistent plant spacing, even on large plots. Hydraulic control and modular design make it easy to adapt, while automation handles each row with minimal input. Ideal for mixed-use applications. When it comes to harvesting silage corn, the CLS Jaguar stands out as an essential tool. It enables to collect the crop at the perfect moisture level, combining speed with top-notch quality. The adjustable chop length guarantees feed with optimal nutrition, while the auto-fill system precisely loads trucks to minimize waste. Watching 3 Vogel harvesters work in sync with the crop shuttle 3600 is like witnessing a cucumber assembly line right in the field. Each combine gently lifts and separates the crop from the vines with minimal damage, while the shuttle handles high-volume transfer without slowing the operation. It's an impressive orchestration of efficiency and crop care. The Smart Siphon system replaces traditional hand siphons with automated control, making flood irrigation far more consistent and scalable. Each unit opens and closes based on timing or remote input, reducing water waste and operator fatigue. It's a smart evolution in open field irrigation. Terrata's Smart Agriculture project is more than just robotics. It's a vision of a fully connected tea industry, from the field to the factory. The robotic harvester is just the beginning, paving the way for an ecosystem where data, automation, and tradition work in harmony. Starting the grass season right means combining the best tools for cutting and tedding. The Fendt Pottinger mowers and Deutz-Lely tedders operate in sync to maintain crop integrity and speed up fieldwork. A clear example of modern forage management. Equipped with robust rotor technology, the CFR 650 Top Gun efficiently shreds and distributes bale material for optimal coverage and feed mixing. The adjustable feed rate and chopping length settings allow customization based on crop and bedding requirements. Its modular design facilitates maintenance and part replacement, minimizing downtime. At the Vlaming planter's core is its material placement. An automated planting belt with a precise counting unit ensures each bulb drops at the exact distance. Electronically adjusted distribution optimizes material flow. It's controlled placement, not just dropping. The Broad 9090X features the SDC system with flexible, independently adjustable shaker rods. This allows even distribution of vibrations along each branch, minimizing damage to both trees and olives while optimizing harvesting efficiency. The amplitude and frequency of shaking can be adjusted to suit different tree types and seasons, reducing unwanted fruit drop. More than a simple trenching machine, the Lancier cable plow integrates automated cable feeding. Its blade guides cable directly from the drum into the trench, streamlining installation by eliminating separate cable laying steps. One of the standout technical features of the Dalbo Power Roll is its DuoFlex hydraulic weight distribution system. This system ensures that the ground pressure of each individual roller section remains consistent across the entire working width, even on uneven fields. The roller sections are free pivoting, allowing them to follow the undulations of the ground effectively, ensuring uniform compaction across the entire field without missing spots or overcompacting. In Lower Silesia's harvest, a fleet including Ploger models EPD 540, EPD 538, EPD 530, BP 2100, alongside OXB 2485 and FMCBH 7100, showcased remarkable adaptability in gathering green peas, sweet corn, and green beans. These machines feature headers tailored to each crop to ensure gentle processing and include sophisticated threshing and cleaning mechanisms to reduce losses. At Golden D Farms Limited, Anthony Eliasson showed we his massive center pivot irrigation system. He controls pressure and rotation speed for even water distribution across the field. Large-scale farming in Saskatchewan isn't just about growing crops, it's about mastering this complex system. The digital control panel on the Mackay Maxima Pro enables operators to customize sorting parameters based on size, weight, or shell quality. This data-driven approach integrates well with the Mackay TD25K units that automatically adjust tray configurations for different packaging needs. Balancing high capacity with gentle handling, the Grimm PS511's intake unit stands out in design. Its carefully spaced tines efficiently lift large quantities of potatoes or onions, while minimizing pressure to avoid bruising. Moreover, the smooth transition from intake to conveyor features a low drop height, significantly cutting down the impact force on the harvested crops. The hazelnut harvester's collection mechanism begins with rotating brushes and localized airflow to gently lift nuts from the ground. Subsequently, a specialized elevator belt gathers the nuts into the cleaning chamber. Precise speed coordination between the brushes and belt is key, ensuring every nut is efficiently retrieved. In Waikato, New Zealand, Kung Agriculture operates with a herd of around 250 cows on 77 hectares. They chose the Jailer 5750 TMR mixer wagon to deliver a perfectly blended feed mixture throughout the year. By mixing maize, grass, minerals, and drenches, the system guarantees consistent rations for every cow, promoting better health and increased productivity. George highlights that this uniformity and reliability are why they invested in the machine. By cutting seed heads of weeds like blackgrass and poppy in wheat fields, the top-cut coalesced reduces weed pressure at its source. This method interrupts the life cycle by preventing thousands of seeds from returning to the soil. Handling cherries efficiently requires precise sorting and gentle packing. Novatech SA's processing line achieves this with a throughput capacity of 2.5 tons per hour. The automated line minimizes damage by carefully selecting fruit based on size and quality before packing, optimizing shelf life and presentation. To ensure consistent hygiene in barns with solid floors, the Barn E-Manure robot combines automation with intelligent design. Its scraper beam collects manure, which is then lifted and stored by a rotating feeder, making it far more efficient than basic push-type systems. Stones are the enemy of machinery and yield. The Agronomic Tornado 550 stone picker creates a smooth field, protecting equipment and boosting water-shot nutrient absorption for crops. A stone-free seedbed leads to more even germination. This is a direct investment in soil quality and production potential. Witnessing the low tunnel deployment system in action is truly impressive. Back in the day, setting up tunnel covers took a dozen people all day. Now, with a tractor pulling an Andros low tunnel deployment system, the job's done in a single pass. The machine automatically sets hoops, lays, and anchors the cover. Unlike traditional horizontal sprayers, the vertical tower structure allows for vertically distributed spray coverage, which is vital in densely foliated orchards. This improves canopy penetration and reduces untreated zones. Extreme Driver Next Gen offers a powerful, self-propelled solution for driving posts of various materials, including fence posts and steel beams. No tractor needed, just easy movement between jobs, making it a reliable and efficient choice for any post-driving task. The KLH 1300 Spinach Harvester, a breakthrough in semi-mechanized spinach harvesting. Developed from proven fruit seedling digger technology, it's built to straddle raised beds and cleanly slice root systems with minimal disruption. Ideal for farms aiming to reduce labor input while protecting crop integrity. A Fendt tractor is plowing using a 5-furrow Kuhn plow. At the front, it features a custom frame originally from a disc mower, to which 2 rotary cultivators are attached. This setup improves soil turnover before plowing, enhancing seedbed preparation. At GT Barford, the Krone Big Pack 1290 baler, paired with the JCB Fastrack 8310 tractor, demonstrates a highly efficient wheat straw harvest. The baler compacts the straw into dense, uniform bales, while the quick bale chasing keeps the field clear and workflow uninterrupted during peak season. The core function of the Cleveland 9624 trencher is trenching. The machine's powerful digging chain, with soil-adaptive teeth, hydraulically cuts and lifts soil. An integrated auger wash conveyor instantly moves excavated dirt aside, forming a neat pile. This design keeps the trench clear for installation and simplifies backfilling. Hill 1, Tractor 0, until the team showed up. After pruning, the double frontal branch cutter is a crucial solution. The machine uses 2 flexible hydraulic rotors to sweep and gather branches into the row center. This mechanism reduces labor while clearing the ground for subsequent steps, optimizing the orchard cleanup process. While typically used on commercial chain-link fences, the fence hog attachment proves highly effective for handling woven wire fence as well, allowing for smooth dispensing and stretching during agricultural fence installation. Cormac sheep equipment handles sheep smoother than my mom handles the remote. Gentle, reliable, and built to last. Perfect for keeping flocks calm and workflows easy. A net enclosure from the coop door to the garden lets chickens roam outside freely while keeping the vegetables safe. Using the plastic mulch lifter wrapper significantly saves time and labor in collecting plastic mulch after harvest. The machine operates automatically, minimizing manual intervention while protecting the soil and crops. It is suitable for various mulch types and different field scales. In today's agriculture, pesticide spraying drones have become essential tools for managing pests efficiently. By enabling quick, accurate applications, these drones reduce labor demands, minimize health risks for farmers. Automating hop cutting and loading, the top cutter hop harvest simplifies the process but requires careful handling. No driver, no problem. The self-driving ride takes the wheel. Mini chaff cutters quickly chop grass into small pieces, making feed easier to digest and use. This is a basic machine designed to remove the outer skin and roots of onions. It performs simple peeling and trimming to prepare onions for further processing. An easy-to-use pruning tool that helps trim and shape plants without much effort. As the tractor moves forward, the reaper's blades cut the crop close to the ground. Cut stems are fed into the binder, which wraps twine around them, securing bundles ready for transport. If I had this soil tiller back then, I swear I'd have worked harder in the garden. That was just the tip of the tech iceberg. Smash that like button if you were blown away, share this video, and subscribe to Mega Hub. You haven't seen anything yet.